Unlocking the meaning of back set. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, back set. Whether you've heard it before or it's brand new to you, by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it. First, let's look at the two words individually. Back, referring to the direction behind, or the opposite of front. Set, a collection of things, or the act of putting something in a particular position. These definitions give us a hint, but the actual meaning of the phrase is slightly different when these words come together. Backset is not a commonly used phrase in everyday English. However, in specific contexts, it could mean 1. A setback or a hindrance, referring to something that delays progress or development. 2. In some sports, particularly volleyball, it refers to a play where the ball is passed in a direction opposite to the way the player is facing. To solidify our understanding, let's see the phrase in action. 1. Setback meaning, losing that big client was a backset for our company, but we're determined to recover. 2. Volleyball context. With a swift move, she gave a backset to her teammate who then scored. And there you have it. While backset isn't a phrase you'll hear every day, it's always good to add more words and phrases to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, context is key. We hope this video was enlightening. Keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language. See you in the next video.